These damn pistols in my damn hip. Alright guys, welcome to Bounty Hunter Throck. We have a fugitive today. We are looking for Wyatt. Wyatt is our he's armed and dangerous. Let me go through my files here. He goes by the name of AKA Y Dog. So Wyatt, AKA Y Dog, he is wanting for missing court. He has a $100,000 bond with us. The bail bondsman company called me to go get this guy. He's had 3 priors. 3. We got grand theft. Okay. We also got, oh geez, he's a girlfriend. Pretty nice handwriting. He's a girlfriend stealer. This is by the words. Wearing socks inside out. I'll give you a brief description of what he looks like. He's probably about 4'8", about 90 pounds or so. So he looks something like this. Something like this. Oh, and on his hand he has a tattoo of an S. It looks like this. With some kind of wings. I don't know really what it stands for. We should have got that information when I took the bond. So, alright guys, let's go get him.
Hello? Oh, you got a lead? Where at? Okay. Alright. Yep, on my way. Alright, bye. Alright guys, we got a lead. We're headed there now. Now, I must remind you guys, he has a $100,000 bond. He's not going to be stopping anytime soon. So he's going to keep running and running and running. But the lead they gave me is to his aunt's house. So I'm hoping he's there. I can just go in and snatch him. If you guys see a shadow behind me, I got another fugitive behind me that I got to take in tonight. So let's get it. This is the address, I think. Oh crap, they got dogs. They got dogs. It's okay. It's okay. Give me here. Give me here. Hi guys. Hi guys. Alright, I think we made friendship with the dogs here, so look at this guy. He's just peeing. Okay, let's go. It's okay. I don't want to have to pistol whip anybody. Bounty Hunter. Bounty Hunter. White dog, come out.
Fuck shit out of me.
What happened?
What are you doing?
Where's Y Dog?
What?
Where's Y Dog?
Why dog?
You know who I'm looking for.
Don't you even whatever take that off.
Where's he at? Is he downstairs?
Who?
Y Dog.
Who the fuck is White Dog?
He jumped, he missed his court date. Where's he at?
I don't know. You don't have a search warrant.
I don't need a search warrant to look for my fugitive. Where's he at?
What are you doing? Hey, I'm calling the cops.
I don't need cops right now, but you can go ahead and call them if you want. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh! Where are you at? Damn it, I don't think he's here. Dang it. Where's Y Dog?
I don't know.
Where's he at? Are you hiding my fugitive? Alright, I don't think our fugitive's here. We gotta keep looking. Alright, well, he's not at this location. Oh. Yeah. No, he wasn't here. No. I got a couple more places I can check, but if we don't get him tonight, we're losing $100,000 because he's on his way to Mexico. All right. Peace. All right, that was the bail bondsman. We got a couple more leads, so let's go. If I don't get this dude, the bail bondsman loses $100,000. This fugitive behind me is getting really annoying. Keeps asking me questions like, hey, can you stop and get me something to eat? Shut up. Alright, here we are. I guess there's some kind of side entrance or something over here. Stop talking back there. Jeez. That last house I was at, I tripped over some crap and kind of injured my knee there in the line of duty. Oh, are these guys it? That looks like him right there. No, that's not him. That's not him at all. Right here? Dang it. He's not here. He's not here. Dang it. What the heck? Did it rain that much? Dang. What is that? Oh, it's like an airplane thing. Huh, interesting. This dude has been running for me for 2 months. This dude is good. Real good. Hopefully we'll find him tonight. I'm hoping. I know his girlfriend works over here, but she only works here like so many days of the week. Oh, we're gonna catch this bastard. We're gonna catch this bastard. And his little dog too. Alright. Alright, we're getting close. JCPenney's used to be here, but they closed. There's the spot right there. Found it. Found it. I'm thinking he's right behind that little brick part right there. You guys see it? I think that's where he's at. We gotta be quiet. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. He's not here. Dang it. Man, this dude's good. He's good. I'm getting pissed. Where's this dude? We gotta keep going. We have evidence. He's been here. On his report, it says he loves Skittles. What is that? I don't know what that is. He's been here. He's been. Gosh, I'm wore out. Bounty hunter shouldn't be this wore out. There he is. I think that's him right there. That's it. I think that's him. He's hiding. He is hiding. Where'd he go? There he is. There he is. Ouch, gosh darn it. Ow! Oh, my leg. You mother humper. Get over here. Oh, jeez. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, man. There's no way. Sorry for the breathing, guys. I'm out of shape, okay? Sue me. Did he go up here? part of the car. Dang it. Where did he go? Where did he go? Dang it. He's lucky. He's lucky. He got away. There's no way he can get in that thing. Well, I'm sure he could, but there's wire. Look at this. There's nowhere he could have gone. We looked on top of this bridge over, and he's not. You can't see him. Where the heck? It's like he was, he teleported. That's what I honestly don't know. Unless he went over there. There's a dang fence there, barbed wire. It looks like barbed wire, I don't know. This is why it's been taking me months to find this dude. He's good, he knows what he's doing.
Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up.